Unveiling the Mystery of the Dough Hook. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets of the English language, one word at a time. Today, we are going to discuss a phrase that might confuse beginners but is actually a piece of cake once you understand it. The phrase is, dough hook. So, let's get our hands doughy and find out what it means and how you can use it in your baking adventures. A dough hook is a tool used in baking. It's an attachment for a mixer that is specifically designed to mimic the motion of hand kneading dough. Why is it important? Well, if you've ever tried making bread, pizza, or any dough-based recipe, you know that kneading the dough is a crucial step. The dough hook takes on this task, saving time and effort. It has a specific shape that allows it to properly mix and knead dough to the perfect consistency. When we talk about the design of a dough hook, we're referring to its spiral or C-shaped hook, which works by pushing the dough against the sides of the bowl. To use a dough hook, you simply attach it to your mixer, add your dough ingredients to the bowl, and turn on the mixer to a suitable setting. It's that easy, and the result is well-kneaded dough, ready to rise and transform into delicious baked goods. The benefits of using a dough hook are plenty. It reduces the mess made from hand kneading, saves physical effort, and is time efficient. Moreover, for those who bake in large quantities or suffer from joint pain, a dough hook is a true kitchen hero. It's an essential tool in modern baking and is loved by professionals and home bakers alike. Let's share some tips for handling a dough hook. First, always check the manufacturer's instructions for your specific mixer model. Second, start at a low speed to avoid flinging ingredients everywhere. Increase the speed gradually as the dough starts to come together. Also, do not overload your mixer. If the dough is too heavy, it may harm the machine. And there you have it. A simple explanation of what a dough hook is and why it's a must-have for anyone who loves to bake. I hope this video has helped demystify this handy tool and encourages you to try using one in your next baking project. Happy baking! And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language tips and tricks. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.